Hi, my name is Brenda Dupuy, week 6, my blog. I'm just talking about my mental health group that I facilitate, and we are a closed group to keep our information private. We talk a lot about sensitive subjects like medications and doctor visits. You cannot just come in off the streets into my group. There is an application process. The purpose of my group is helping people manage their day to day. It's giving support to people who do not normally have support from someone. I average about 5 people per week, maybe more, maybe less, it depends. And the setting of my group is we meet through Zoom. I do have some people out of state, so that allows people to join in from wherever they are. If I was at a facility, I wouldn't be able to reach as many people as I do now. The group dynamics, we help each other, we lift each other up, we give support when people are down and need some help or just an ear to listen to. My group runs about an hour, a little over an hour. So the time is limited, but we are there to listen to what you have to say. And we offer as much support as we can. The roles of the group members, each group member is just there to listen and to offer each other support and as much as we can just to help each other get through some hard times of the mental health difficulties that we all face. The activities that my group does is a workbook. It's a 14-week workbook. And our motto is healthy comfort, offer respect, encouragement, and compassionate support. Healthy confidentiality, create a safe place to share by listening confidentially. Healthy communication, avoid fixing anyone's challenges, correcting, debating, or using offensive language. Healthy community, discover hope and useful tools while learning from one another's journeys. It's kind of like an AA meeting where they're there to lift each other up, and they're there not to spread the information that you hear and to offer other people strength and support. I'm the leader and also participant of the meeting. Each meeting, people tell me their stories of surviving mental health disorder. I want to help them day to day and walk with them as they go through difficult times. One area of improvement, I think, would be time management. I would like to have a little bit more time of each person so people, when it's their time to talk, won't feel so pressured and give us the information that they want to talk about. Thank you so much, and that's my blog.